New unboxing, gifts from the Philippines. Cold pressed coconut oil. Did you know that it's a great makeup remover? Crunchy chili garlic. My friend said this one is very spicy. Challenge accepted. Coconut sugar. I love using it for desserts. A selection of exotic jams. Vav incredible selection.
Calamansi Jam.
Also known as Calamandan, Philippine lime, or Philippine lemon, is a citrus hybrid cultivated predominantly in the Philippines. Jackfruit is a very large fruit that grows on a tree that is common in South Asia and other tropical areas. This one is papaya jam. Guyabano, also called sorsop, and in Latin America guanabana, is the fruit of Annona muricata, a broadleaf, flowering, evergreen tree. Coconut jam. Mango jam. And a beautiful fridge magnet. Thank you, AB.